I'm going to talk about our FLEXX ECO 15.5 SEER 2 ducted split system product. It's very similar to our current FLEXX product that goes down to the negative 22 degrees. But this product was made to be more of a lower cost economical version for the southern market. And as you can see, we're only getting the 15.5 SEER, and this product will heat down to 5 degrees as opposed to negative 22. But again, in the southern market, most places you're not going to need that negative 22 ultra heat capacity. But since it's still a FLEXX, it's able to match with any kind of air handler, A coil, gas furnace, etc. It is 24-volt control. And what's great about this is we've added some additional capacities versus the current FLEXX. As you can see here, we have 6 capacity units to kind of meet all the needs that we have out there. With this product, you're not going to have just 2 outdoor units like a 2/3 and then a 4/5. You're actually going to have 6 different outdoor units. But the advantage of this is now we can dial in exactly the capacity you need, because we're currently offering the half-ton sizes, 2.5 and the 3.5 that the other FLEXX just didn't have. All right, with this, we're going to have 4 footprints for the outdoor units. You're going to have the standard 2-ton, 2.5/3, 3.5/4, and of course the 5-ton. With the indoor units, there will be 3 footprints. We have our 2/2.5, 3/3.5, and of course the 4/5. Again, the old model FLEXX had just 2 sizes. The new FLEXX ECO will have 3 sizes of indoor unit. One last thing I want to point out with these, they just come from the factory, capable of being installed vertically or horizontally. However, we will have accessory downflow kits available. In addition to that, these use a different heater than the old FLEXX. These new heaters will have an additional thermal sensor on them for added safety. Those heaters are also now available. This unit does come with our DC inverter driven compressor, but again, this is just one of the standard heat inverter compressors. It's not the ultra heat. Of course, 24-volt control. Outdoor units have that flexible installation footprint. It's got the side discharge, so you're going to be able to put it in all sorts of applications. And the indoor units can achieve up to 1-inch water gauge static pressure. For most applications, this is going to fit perfectly for you. Another great benefit about these units, they're going to come standard with the gold anti-corrosive coating, which is capable of withstanding 1,500 hours of salt spray. On these, most of our units will have an aluminum heat sink, which the board is bolted to help dissipate the heat. Heat is one of the major killers of electronics. But what's really cool about this product is it uses a refrigerant loop to actively cool the electronic components. So instead of relying on that heat sink, hopefully release the heat, now we're actively cooling this refrigerant. So it's going to be a more reliable system. On all the outdoor units, the valves are on the outside of the unit, and we've angled those at a 45 degree. I know with the original FLEXX on the 2/3-ton, the valves are actually up inside the unit. And it was very difficult to get to those. You'd have to use an adapter or get creative with your tubing benders to get up inside there. With this model, all the valves are on the outside. And again, we've angled them at that 45 degrees so you can get in there and connect to those quite easily. Reach out to your salespeople. They should have the pricing on the accessories and they can get you hooked up. That's it. That's all I've got. So thank you. Appreciate it.